Starting our actually permission myong na tenga ki protest जावपाक पूण आमी song गेलेले हिंगा and it was sad to see that the municipality had told the people working here to lock the gates, which was totally wrong. Luckily Pujan had a letter in hand and we said Baba the Loya garden, it is meant for people to be used and we are not doing anything else, but this is what people need to come for. And आम्ही सांगला मातशें उक्ते करात because senior citizens who were doing their works were locked inside. So आम्ही सांगला तांकां please आम्ही norms सुमार आम्ही भायर सरतले म्हणून. And today, to see the turnout that had happened, 12 o'clock last night, midnight, we posted out the post saying that this is going to happen over here. Revolution happens step by step. And it is good to see the Gen Zs are coming out. And what we have to do as the other section is support the Gen Zs as much as possible. To all the Gen Zs, if any cases are put on y'all, reach out to us and we will make sure that y'all are taken care of. If y'all are detained, do not worry. If FIR is registered on y'all, do not worry. We are there. We've done that. We are into that. And we've been fighting for the last 10 years to protect Goa. So we know what it is. Do not fear. We are there. And all that we can say is you go ahead. Hum aapke saath hai. Aami tumche wangda raha. Go ahead and we are there. And I want all of you to come in big numbers for the next Margaon candlelight walk that we're going to have right up from Holy Spirit to Loya Maidan. This is what our freedom fighters did for Goa. They fought because we wanted to get the Portuguese out. Our Indians fought to get the British out. And what's happening now? Our own Indians are putting us down and treating us like trash and calling us cockroaches, termites, parasites. It's high time we show this dictatorship government that what we are and enough is enough, and we are going to stand tall and we are going to fight this. And I hope this revolution takes in big numbers and Dharmendra Pradhan steps down and more. Even Amit Shah has to resign for the way he treated all the women and the men, the young boys and girls in Delhi. So he should also step down. Because you have also molested the women over there. You have harmed those children over there. They are not anti-nationals. They are our own Indians just asking for one demand is education reform. How difficult it is. You do not want the children of the country to be educated and that's why you are doing this. Because you all are uneducated and you cannot answer the question. Shame on y'all, all the people who are elected who do not know what the youth are standing for. And I'm so proud of the youth and I as a mother stand by the youth because I also have a youth in the house and I stand by that. So kudos, keep fighting, we are there with you.
PM मोदींचे स्टेटमेंट दिल्ले आसा की जे कोण कल्प्रिट आसा तांचेर कारवाई केली वयतली. तुमकां कितें दिसता this statement really will work out?
We've just seen that somebody who was in the 2024 NEET exam scam, he's been released out because of no evidence. So what proof do we have that they will do the same thing? Right now, we've always seen that the Modi Sarkar talks big but doesn't implement anything. We have seen rapists go inside the jail and they have been released out. Rapists are being released out on good conduct. Who does it? And then they stand on the BJP and they fight election. These are the idiots that are there in the ruling. So this is what the gods also are showering right now. And what we need to say is, Modi, you're just a liar. No one will believe what we are saying and we are going to stand up and we are going to fight till the very end. Because whatever you may say, okay, strict action, take strict action on your people. Take action on people who cannot deliver. So take strict action on your Dharmendra Pradhan and ask him to step down, on Amit Shah, your home minister, to step down because they are the culprits.
हो प्रोटेस्ट तुमचो कितले खंय मेरेन चालू उरतलो?
I think so. See, now because the youth are deciding, we are just supporting, and we want the youth to take it forward. Now, after the Panjim, get together, they said that they will do one in Mapsa and they'll do one in Margaon. After that, anything that happens in Margaon will make the announcement. But this momentum should not stop, and it's only building up. So I hope the Goa government sees and pass on to your headquarters, wherever it is a center, that the youth are not going to keep quiet. And elections also are close by, so you decide what you all want. You all want a change, then be the change and make Pradhan step down from his kursi.
हो प्रोटेस्ट आसा हो येणाऱ्या इलेक्शनाक बदल घडोवन हाडटलो असो दिसता तुमकां?
Enara?
हो जो प्रोटेस्ट आसा, do you think there will be change for the coming election?
Of course there will be a change because all this youth are new voters. They are just turning 18. The children are coming out and giving speeches over here. In other schools, children are stepping out and doing protests for what? For them to deserve good food also. Children are coming out. There are no teachers in the school. Children are coming out and sitting outside the campus saying that they are protesting. There is a revolution that is happening. These youngsters, who are coming out and fighting, because everyone is understanding that education is important. No one's going to be fighting on, like, Hindu, Muslim, Catholic, whatever it is. Everyone's is going to be one target is education. Education reform has to happen, and for once we are talking about education. So I'm very proud of these youngsters and will fight in the end. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.